Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Hellenic Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hellenicbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Hellenic Bank website. Now from the home page, in order to log in, click on online banking at the top right corner and then choose from your personal or business option. Now once you have been taken into the login portal, within the username section, go ahead and type in the username that you have set while signing up for your account. After typing in your username, go ahead and enter your password within the password box. And now you can click on the login button, which will log you in to your Hellenic Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Reset Now button underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Hellenic Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.